How to treat fear of loud noises in dogs. Create a safe place. Take note where your dog goes or tries to go when they are scared. Most probably under the bed. And then give him access to the safe space. Distract your dog. When your dog first shows signs of getting anxious, engage him in some fun activity that he really loves. Offer him lots of verbal praises and some treats. Distract him as long as you can or until he can no longer focus. Then stop and try again next time. Make changes to their environment. Tone down the loud noises from outdoors by drawing the curtains, turning on the TV, a fan, or putting on some music as background noise to block off the sound. Make changes to their behavior. This is a long process, but is often successful. Familiarize your dog with scary sounds starting in a low volume and gradually increasing over time while playing with him, or offer a treat. Doing this every day will make him associate the previously feared sound with something pleasant.